Hello everyone, welcome to another video of RetargetKit. This is Shamima, co-founder of RetargetKit, and today I'm going to show you the latest feature of RetargetKit, that is Smartlist. Well, the recent page we are looking at is the Smartlist created on RetargetKit campaign, created on RetargetKit. So all the pop-ups you can see are the individual retargeted links I created on the campaign, Black Friday campaign. Okay, so let's get started and show you how it is done. In the campaign section, you will find the Smartlist. So before that, you need to give a brand name, a custom domain if you have any, the retargeting pixel. You can add the retargeting pixel of your own. I'll add Facebook and Google Analytics. Choose the next option, sample, and from the campaign type you need to choose the Smartlist option. So this is the demo preview of the Smartlist you are going to have as the result. So here you will find the logo you provide of your brand, the brand name, and here's the RetargetKit logo. If you are a paid client of RetargetKit, then this logo will be removed. After that, we proceed on that. Here you will get the title name, a description of what the page is about, and the sample of the appearance of the retargeted links. So let's proceed on with the next button. You need to give a slug name, let's say sample. Give the title a name, sample test. So give it a description, let's say this is a sample test. Okay, so choose an image. I'd say this one, copy image address and paste it right here. I'll choose the title color, maybe white. White is perfect. The description color, similar to white. Header background color, maybe bluish, and set the opacity like this. Okay, I can change the description color to white. Better. So yes, now let's just save the campaign. When you click it, there's no retargeted link now, so I'll create one. Just copy the link of the website, or just copy the URL of anything you want to share, paste it here and check the meta informations. Yes, it's auto fetched. So yes, I have an image too. Everything's perfect. Click on the save option. You can click the retargeted link and share on your social media account, or just close it and save it for the Smartlist option. So yes, now let's see how our result is. Let's just copy it and paste it and see. Yes, the result is perfect as we created. Here's the title name. The meta title is also what we gave. There's the logo and brand name, and here is the retargeted link, and it is very Google friendly. The Smartlist is very Google friendly and mobile responsive. I can show you right now. You can share it from the social media accounts if you're logged in right now, like this one. I've clicked on the Facebook, and yes, it shows right away. So yes, this is very Google friendly, and I can say the mobile responsive. I'll show you the Black Friday deals, the sample demo I created for you guys. So let's just go into the inspect, and yes, the mobile version is selected and you can see. Okay, so yes, this is the desktop display and this is the mobile version. You can see it's very responsive and it looks very beautiful. So how it looks. Okay, so I'll just, you see the UI is very beautiful and everything works smoothly. So you can just copy the Smartlist link and paste in your, like, say, social media accounts on Facebook and share it, or anywhere you want. And the best part of the Smartlist is you don't need to create any landing page, or you don't have to worry about where should I post, do I need to create any pages or anywhere. Okay, you don't have to do any of the things. You don't need to do all the troubles. Everything's right there for you. All you need to do is just give it a minute and do it in very simple clicks, very few clicks, very simple manner. Okay, so yes, so if you have created a Smartlist, there will be a copy option. If you haven't created like this one, so there won't be any option to create, so to copy the Smartlist link. So yes, you can even, one more thing I almost forgot is you can even check the analytics of individual retargeted links you created of the smart links. Like if I go to this link, like, yes, I've created it, you can see the link right there, and now it is redirecting to the source page. So since I've clicked it, so the analytics would show it. Okay, I'll just do the refresh. You see that here the source page is written like which one I've just clicked it says click 1. Okay, so the analytics also works perfectly for individual links created in the Smartlist. So that's it. You really don't have to worry about anything. All you need to do is just give it a minute and a few clicks. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. So please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any feedbacks or suggestions or questions, leave it in the comment section. We'll be there for you. We'll reply it, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.